out in the garden one more time, and I'm weeding. It's always a favorite of mine, and I think it makes a great tiny Tuesday. Hi, it's Sharon from Sherry's Fairies, and it is Tiny Tuesday. And I just wanted to put this in here to show you where we started in our yard and our garden so you can see the difference. I'd like to welcome you all to my channel and thank my regular subscribers for watching. I really do appreciate you. And I'd like to thank Sunday Dawn, who hosts this collaboration, and her YouTube channel is The Helpful Home. Check her out. She's a great creator. So thanks again. Let's get busy in the yard. So today I'm going to continue with my new fairy garden, and I'm going to do a lot of weeding. Hope you find this enjoyable. I really like to watch people weed. I just find it very satisfying. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I do invite you to subscribe. Hope you enjoy this content. Let's get busy. Our grass definitely needs to be cut. Son will do that on the weekend. And our hawthorn tree is all nice and green, and it's got lots of flower buds on it, so when it pops it should be very pretty. And the cherry tree's turning green. Not sure if it's going to get any blossoms. Oh yeah, it's got buds on it. It's been kind of cold. So my old wheelbarrow is out here. Fill it with dirt and put some plants in it and add some fairies to it and look cute. And I have these two planters here to plant up. Your nice raised beds. And we still have all of this to weed. And that's what I'm going to work on today, is weeding. Oh, and that plant is coming up really nice. It's a peony plant. The red stems there. That's where the chair is going to go, and then the plant will grow up through the chair, and the blossom should act like the cushion. So hopefully I'll get that project done today. So these are the two chairs that I bought. They were $6 each, and I got them for half price. So I got them for they were $12 each, so I got them for $6 because they're half price. Anyhow, I'm spraying them white so that they'll show up against the dark brown fence that we have in that garden. And this is the chair that I'm talking about that will go over the peony plant. And I think it'll be fun. So the seat is just wood. I didn't want the real seat, I just wanted the wood seat. And I'm going to cut a circle in that, and I'm going to have the peony flowers come out of the circle. I haven't got the circle cut out yet, but it'll come next video. Anyhow, I thought I'd just show you guys me spray painting these guys and getting them ready for the garden. And I'm hoping I can find some plastic or some kind of feet to put on over the feet that will help protect the chairs from the weather. Also, the spray paint helps protect the wood. from the elements. And I also sprayed a sealant coat over top of this, so that will help as well to help protect the wooden chairs. They won't last forever, but that's okay. Yeah, for the few years that they do last, I will enjoy them, and hopefully my peony plant will bloom more this year. They're pretty young plants. Anyhow, I'm going to give this a go and just see what happens. Well, I got the chairs both painted with the spray paint, and they don't have to be perfect. They're just going in the garden. So I just have to cut the holes and they're ready for the garden. That'll be a different video.
Okay, now it's weeding time.
It's always so nice to be outside, weeding and listening to the birds sing away. So I'm just going to let you watch me weed. I will listen to the birds for a little while, and then I'll put some music on. Enjoy! I found my favorite tool. It's a dandelion picker. It works for all weeds. And I got some nice new gardening gloves. It's the only way to start off weeding. My poor tulips, they didn't do very good this year, and they didn't even bloom for me. So I'm going to dig those bulbs out, and I'm going to see, well, after the leaves all brown up and dry, and I'm going to see what's going on with them. And I'm going to plant a whole bunch of bulbs throughout this garden for next spring with some daffodils and different spring flowers. I love my spring flowers. Anyhow, as you can see, I've got lots of weeds. Well, peekaboo, I'm just seeing if my camera is on the right place so you can see me weeding again. Got all the back and under the bench weeded. Looks really nice. So now I'm going to weed out this part of the garden. And under that bench, I'm going to lay and bring it out. I'm going to do some fabric, gardening fabric, so I can put rocks on it. And then I can put fairy gardens underneath my bench as well as on top. So those are some of my plans.
Well, we got it all weeded from there right down past the bench to the stump. So now we need to get our fertilizer and some more soil and add it to this soil. It should be good. It's got lots of worms in it. Even found a ladybug. So that's a good sign.
Well, that's my tiny tidy for this Tuesday. Hope you enjoyed it. And I'd once again like to thank Sunday Dawn, and her YouTube channel is The Helpful Home. Also, I'd like to remind everybody to watch all the other tiny tidy creators for this week. They will be listed in my comment section. So, thanks again for watching, and I'm excited to get started on my fairy garden. My next video will be Fairy Garden Thursday.